What if everything we see, from the vastness of the cosmos to the smallest particle, is not separate, but part of a single interconnected whole? This is the essence of undivided wholeness. Undivided wholeness defines that everything in existence is fundamentally connected, forming one seamless, unified reality. This challenges the perception of separateness and fragmentation that often defines our everyday experience, and instead sees life as a single, indivisible whole. Across cultures and centuries, the idea of undivided wholeness has been a cornerstone of thought. In Eastern philosophies like Vedanta and Buddhism, we find concepts like Brahman and interdependence describing a reality where all things arise together, inseparable in their essence. Taoism speaks of the Tao, the guiding principle of the universe, harmonizing all existence. In the West, philosophers like Parmenides envisioned reality as an unchanging whole, while Spinoza declared that God and nature are one infinite substance. Even Hermetic teachings echoed this unity with the phrase, "as above, so below." These timeless ideas remind us of a deeper truth. Everything is fundamentally connected. In modern times, science has uncovered new dimensions of this unity. Physicist David Bohm proposed the implicate order, a deeper reality where all things are interconnected. Quantum entanglement shows us particles that remain linked across vast distances, defying our notions of separateness. Systems thinking reveals this wholeness in action. Ecosystems thrive through interdependence, and societies function as intricate networks where every part matters. Even our brains, with their complex neural networks, exemplify how the whole emerges from the interplay of parts. Chaos theory and complexity science show us that even seemingly random systems often contain hidden order. Cosmology suggests that the universe itself may be encoded on a unified fundamental level. Spiritual traditions have long embraced the oneness of existence. Mystics like Rumi and Kabir spoke of dissolving the boundaries between self and other, uncovering a profound connection to all that is. Indigenous cultures remind us of the sacred web of life, where every being plays an integral role. The profound teachings of J. Krishnamurti in the 20th century viewed wholeness as not an ideal to be pursued, but a direct experience of unity beyond separation, where all fragmentation dissolves into a profound sense of interconnectedness. The perspective of undivided wholeness can transform our world. By recognizing the interconnectedness of life, we can address global challenges with holistic solutions. From sustainable industries and circular economies to education that unites and healthcare that heals the whole person, this perspective inspires harmony and cooperation. Environmental crises, social inequalities, and personal well-being all demand holistic solutions. Recognizing our interdependence inspires cooperation, sustainability, and more inclusive systems. Undivided wholeness invites us to see the world not as fragmented, but as a beautiful, interconnected whole. It's a lens through which we can deepen our understanding of existence and live with greater compassion, purpose, and harmony. Furthermore, we can deepen our connection to life, each other, and the planet. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.